Well, our meteorologist Allison Pryor has been doing a series on how to be prepared for severe weather, and today she talks about lightning, explaining how it's formed and how to stay safe in the event you're caught in a thunderstorm.
For today's Severe Weather Awareness Week, this Tuesday topic is lightning. And lightning is something, of course, we can deal with anytime during the year, but especially for our local area in the spring into the summertime. So let's just break down that general formation. First up, we have to have warm air rising up. That creates a storm cloud. And within a cloud, we have rising and sinking air with ice particles and water droplets. As they collide with each other, electrons get sheared off, so you end up with some positive and negative charges floating around in the cloud. Well, those negative charges tend to descend down to the bottom, so we have negative at the base, positive at the top, and then positive at the ground. So you create this electric field, and those opposite charges, they want to attract and they want to connect and equalize with each other. So what ends up happening when you're speaking of cloud to ground lightning is we can get negative lightning strikes, and that'll happen when we have a negative bolt here and we end up with a step leader going down and it connects with a streamer from the positive ground or a tree or unfortunately a person potentially, and that creates a lightning strike. Now, the more dangerous type of lightning is called a positive bolt. That's when we have positive from the anvil of the cloud, so even away from any precipitation, and it makes its way all the way down to the ground. It only makes up about 5% of lightning strikes, but because of that greater distance, that stronger electric field, they're usually more deadly. So lightning is something we really want you to be aware of. When we talk about lightning safety, we have the current, we have the voltage, we have just that temperature as well. 50,000 degrees, that's hotter than the surface of the sun. So when thunder roars, go indoors. Lightning kills more than 20 people annually in the U.S. and hundreds more will be injured severely, even having lifelong disabilities. So once you see that lightning, hear that thunder, make sure to seek safe shelter for at least 30 minutes.